Good morning, my dear students. Today, I would like to teach you Vistos, the lesson in me. Summary. As the name of the chapters, as you know that this reveal a very different meanings in me. I would not like to everyone be the enemy of anyone. First, Dr. Sadao was a Japanese boy. He got education in USA, United States of America. During the study, he come in a contact with a girl. The name was Hana. But Japanese and American were enemy each other. They had not a good communication between two countries. Although Dr. Sadao got his education in USA, and there he got a doctor's degree. And one thing he did more, he select Hana as his partner. When both returned in Japan, his family were against Dr. Sadao. His father did not like Hana because he thought that Hana was an American girl. And everyone knows that the Japanese people's opinions filled with patriotism. On account of it, Dr. Sadao's parents did not like Hana. Later on, the book was come out. At that time, Dr. Sadao be a doctor. One day, Dr. Sadao roaming at bank of the sea, where he saw wounded American soldiers. He was in a great confusion what I did. If I saved American soldiers, it be the against of the deed of Japan. If I not save the wounded soldiers, it's mean I forget my doctor's religions or doctor's works. In the views of doctors, there is no enemy for him. Therefore, humanity is first and nation is second. He bought the wounded soldier at his residence. When he bought a wounded soldier at his residence, even his servant denied to serve him. Hannah did not like the wounded American soldiers. He, in the family, he be alone. The time was very critical. He started to afraid. Someone broke my secrecy. Behind it, he served the American wounded soldiers on the behalf of himself. Later on, when he was able to move further, one night he decided to drop that American soldier inside the ocean. Therefore, one night he made a plan. According his plan, he dropped him in a boat and he gave a salute that wounded soldiers, and he come back towards his residence. This lesson taught us that in the view of a doctor, there were no enemy for the doctor. Each and every patient, each and every wounded body for the doctor as like a human beings. So, my dear friends, maybe among you be the doctors. When you be the doctors, there you will never discriminate between friend and enemy. You served friend as like you served enemy also. Thanks a lot. We will meet next day. Good morning, my dear friends. Today, I take the book behind in class 9, chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind. First of all, I would like to tell you summary of the chapter. Everyone knows that Albert Einstein, undoubtedly the greatest scientist of the 20th century, was born on March 14, 1879 in a German city. A little freakish by temperament, Einstein often clashed with his teachers. Clashed with teachers. I think he graduated at the age of 21st in 1902. He got a job at Technical Export in the patent office in Bern. First of all, in short way, I explain you theme of the lesson. A truly beautiful mind underlines the idea that one can achieve anything provided one is fully dedicated and hard working. Very good lesson. Each and every English chapter gives you a unique lesson. It's no doubt. We have come to know that if you want to be a good student behind you, you have to need your hard work and dedication towards your works. If you have commitment, if you have dedication, if you have hard works, there is no doubt one day all of you be a successful civilian, and slowly all of you spread your name and fame along with your teachers and family also. The hard work is the key of success. No obstacles can block one's way to success. There is no dare to obstacle to provoke you to getting a success. Therefore, each and every student do a hard work in the absence of teacher at your home. From his very childhood, he was a focus on scientific and technological issues. Everyone know that Albert Einstein was the greatest scientist in the world. He derived a lot of equations. His equations was E barabar mc square. There is no result to cut the rules of framed by the Albert Einstein. That is why he clashed with the teachers on many issues. His work on the theory of relativity brought him a worldwide fame. I spoke earlier, E barabar mc square. He was honored with the Nobel Prize. As he had a beautiful mind, he was horrified at the misuse of idea in making the atom bomb. He opposed its making and continued to work against its use. Everyone knows that science is a good master but a bad servant. He was able to frame the atom bomb, and atom bombs atom bomb is a very destructive weapon in the world. But Einstein always against to make atom bomb because he liked humanity. He worked for the humanity. He worked for the welfare of society. He was against the destruction of humanity. That made him a truly beautiful mind. A scientist has a different kinds of power. If he want to destroy the world, it was inside in his finger. If he want welfare of society, he made the world charming, glowing, very fruitful. Through the life story of Albert Einstein, in the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind, the author wants to convey that one must work hard with full dedication in the field of one interest, only then can achieve a desired success. So, my dear friends, I advise you, all of you, work honestly. Everyone work according their goal. If you will do hard work in the process of commitment and dedication, one day your luck will be shine as like the sun. The chapter also conveys the idea that politicians often misuse the work of scientists. Albert Einstein's theory was used to make the atom bombs. As common citizens, we should see to it the politicians do not use science for destructive purpose. I would like to convey you merit and demerit runs together. In the entire world, there are many politicians who want to misuse the power of scientists for his own betterment. Therefore, everyone be aware, be safe. Who be the scientist from the politicians for the betterment for human beings. Human beings is more important than destructive weapons. So, in the very short way, I convey a message, a truly beautiful mind, and truly beautiful mind convey a theme. Who worked hard, who work with full dedication, full commitment, one day he will be got success. Have a nice day. We will meet in our next video to teaching your test.